These are chicken sticks. Let's make them. Take 200 grams of chicken, which is about like half a chicken breast. Cut the chicken in cubes like this. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, a teaspoon of paprika powder, a teaspoon of black pepper and half teaspoon of garlic powder and ginger powder. Now add 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, vinegar and soy sauce. Mix it a bit, subscribe to our channel and then set it aside to marinate for 30 minutes. You can make it without marinating too if you don't have the time. Now put the chicken pieces onto skewers and leave around this much gap on the edges. Do the same with all the others. Cover it with all-purpose flour. Dip it in the beaten eggs and then into the breadcrumbs and move on to the frying. Add oil and check the temperature of the oil by putting a skewer in it like this and put the sticks in the pan. Fry them on medium to high flame and take them out when they're golden. And there you have it, delicious and easy to make chicken sticks. And also if you want to learn how to make calzone pizza, watch this video right here.